What is online cooperation? Online cooperation is a type of cooperation that can benefit all sectors. The most striking example of this is a choir brought together with the cooperation of over 800 people from over 50 countries. Organisers who wanted to publish a song with a choir started by inviting guest artists from all over the world. Receiving positive answers to their invitations, organisers sent the notes to everyone in their email list. Participants to take their place in the choir were sent instructions on how to access a predetermined website and how to record and upload instrumental or vocal parts. Shortly after, hundreds of recordings were uploaded. When it was time for the video and audio editors, they brought all the team together and a fantastic virtual choir came to happen as a result.